Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be walking you through my coding setup. It's a very simple setup. It's also where I work as well. I work from home. I'm also a preschool teacher. So it's like a makeshift area. Let's get into it. So first of all, if you could look behind me, you're gonna start with behind me. This is the background scene, what you usually see when I'm in a Zoom meeting. I normally just have a plant on the top shelf, but right now, because it's the holidays, I have a few holiday decor on the top shelf and select few books and magazines within the shelves and some candles as well, just to make it look a little bit spiffy. So moving on to the desk itself, this desk that I have here is from IKEA. I got it about a couple years ago, but I think it's called the Alex drawers and, oh yeah, the Alex desk or something like that. It's a very popular YouTube desk of a YouTuber, so I decided to go ahead and splurge on it. On top of my desk, I have the stand here which holds my work laptop as well as my personal laptop. Right now you're seeing my personal laptop open and my work laptop is at the bottom, but most of the time my work laptop is at the top. And my personal laptop is just a MacBook Air. It is a 13-inch, or is it 11? I always fluctuate in between. No, it's a MacBook Air, it's an 11-inch MacBook Air, and this is also a pretty old laptop. I got it in 2012, but even so, it's been treating me well. So moving on to my monitor, this is a 23.8-inch HP desktop monitor. I got it from Amazon as well. Next to that, I have a plant, a basic plant. You know, who does not need a plant on their desk? I think a plant brings together your desk, and if you don't want to put anything on your desk, just put a plant on there, and I think the plant just brings it all together and it gives some life to your desk area. Usually underneath that plant or my plant, I have my planner, and right now you can see that there's a 2020 as well as a 2021 planner on there, so I've already started planning for 2021. I told myself that 2020 was the year of learning and 2021 will be my year of applying what I have learned, so I've already started to plan. Below that, I have a journal which I usually sit down and write down my thoughts, or there are many prompting questions on there which gets me to reflect and gets me to sit down and to just think about things that I wouldn't have thought about naturally. I also have this mouse which I got from Amazon as well. It's a basic Amazon mouse, very affordable. I love it because it's just so simple. I'm very simple, and very complicated things get me like frustrated and distracted as well. So I really like this mouse. It doesn't have too many knobs. It's just simple and does what it needs to do. Let's not forget about my keyboard, which I also got from Amazon. And I wanted something that was very small, very sleek, and very basic as well. I bought this chair about a year ago from Wayfair, and I would not be telling the truth if I said that it was comfortable. However, it is small and cute, and it's the look for me, so it's been around ever since. So yes, just by looking at my desk, and if you see that my desk is lacking something that has been working for you or that has been very functional for you, please let me know. I am always open to new things, to new ideas. So please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. I will see you in the next one. And as always, peace, love, and happy coding. Bye.